Hi YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. Had a parcel arrive today. I've been waiting for it for about a month now, and guess what's inside? Well, it's to do with ham radio. I'm not sponsored in any way, and I'm going to open this box up and show you what's inside. Now, inside the box is this lovely padding material, and below that was this instruction booklet. So what have we got in this box? Oh, well, it's a metal box thing with two aerial connectors and a charging lead. Oh, that's interesting. So what is it? Can we get it out? What's it going to look like? What is it? Right. So that's the USB charging lead. Okay. So what is it? Quick look at the back. Antenna and RF in. Metal box. So what's it got on the front? Antenna tuning unit 100 Pro Plus. Ooh. Okay. So this is a battery powered antenna tuner unit. Let's switch it on. I don't know whether you could see that. It's got a small display. It's got power, SWR, inductance and capacitance. And there's a tune button and an on-off button, and you press it and hold it in and it goes to tune mode, and you press and hold it once and it resets it back to 0. It's an ATU-100 Pro Plus antenna tuning unit, battery powered, and I'm going to use this, but this will go on the end of the coax as near to the aerial as possible when I'm operating QRP. Now it's actually rated at 100 watts, and it says in the manual it needs a minimum of 5 watts to actually get it to automatically tune. And I've tried this and it will actually work at lower power ratings and still tune. One thing I will say about it is I'm not sure the battery life when it's running on its own internal battery. Well, I have added some extra things to it. I've put 2 self-adhesive feet on the bottom, because metal on metal or metal on wood slides everywhere. It just stops it from sliding. It's quite compact. I'll switch it off. Now there's a few of these on the market which are fakes, but I believe this one to be a genuine one. And the reason why I believe it's to be a genuine one, because of the packaging and also the instruction manual. And the instruction manual is in English and the translation is pretty good, and it tells you about the basic board, because you can buy this in kit form or you can buy it ready made. This is ready made, and this covers off both. It covers off the main board using the basic board. It covers off different types of displays that can be used with the circuit board that's inside. There we go, this is the one that's fitted, is that one. There's a 2-row one and a 4-row one. It gives you additional buttons if you want to add yourself. That will give you a bypass or automatic tuning rather than doing it manual. It gives you about the different modes of operation, gives about possible device modifications, the technical characteristics, permissible operating voltage 10 to 15 volts, maximum current consumption 400 milliamp, maximum working through power 100 watts, maximum possible measured power 150 watts, minimum power required to start tuning is 5 watts. It's actually a lot lower than that actually. Minimum possible measured power is 0.1 of a watt. Measurement steps. Measurement step with power above 10 watts. Accuracy of power measurement is 10%. Within 10%. Yeah. Maximum installed inductance 8.53 microhenry. And then it goes to do with the firmware. What firmware is in it? And this is firmware 3 and above. I can't remember which one it is. This gives you what's this? Change of default settings. If you can program it, the microchip inside, it tells you how to do that. This is to do with additional functions and what the addresses do in the programming. And timeout, cell to set the threshold setting, automatic modes. What else it's got? Starting cell installation. So basically, if you're into programming, you can reprogram this to suit, you know, all sorts of things that you want to do yourself. I quite like it as it is, because the simple reason is, you know, I'm not going to be changing bands very often on my portable aerials, so this is just going to go at the base of the aerial. I switch it on, switch it to tune, and then let it do its own thing. My aerial is really a dual band aerial, so I'm only interested in the 40 and 20 metre band, so it's going to be fairly simple. But having the tuner unit at the bottom of the aerial, as close to the aerial as possible, is the best thing. It's not it doesn't tune the aerial. It's an impedance matching unit. So you can imagine the coax coming from the transmitter or transceiver is 50 ohm, so it could be 5 meters long, and it goes to this. This has a short cable to the aerial itself, and that's where the matching comes in. It doesn't have the ATU at the end of the coax near the transceiver. It's going to be put at the bottom of the aerial, and that's why I wanted something compact, something battery powered, and this is what I bought. But what I'll do, I'll probably do another video showing you it in operation when I can fit it in with one of the projects. So thanks for watching so far. Please subscribe and like.